If you want to quickly add a clean white outline around an image in CapCut PC, this is a simple effect that can make your thumbnails, product images, profile pictures, or cutout graphics stand out much more. It looks professional, it's easy to do, and you do not need any advanced editing skills to follow along. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut PC and import the image you want to edit. Once the image is imported, drag it down onto your timeline so you can start working with it. This is important because all of the effect settings will be applied to the clip directly from the timeline. After that, click once on the image clip in the timeline. When you select the clip, you'll see the editing menu appear in the top right corner of the screen. This is where CapCut gives you access to the tools you need for outlines and cutouts. Next, go to the Remove BG tab. Inside this section, turn on Auto Remove. This will remove the background from your image automatically, which is what allows the outline to stand out clearly around the subject. If your image already has a simple background, this step usually works very well. If the background is more detailed, just make sure the subject is selected properly before moving on. Now that the background is removed, stay in the Cutout menu and click on Stroke. This is the setting that creates the outline effect around your image. Once Stroke is enabled, choose a white color for the border. White is the most common choice because it gives your image that clean, bright, high contrast look, especially on darker backgrounds. After selecting the color, use the thickness slider to adjust the outline size. If you want a subtle effect, keep it thin. If you want the image to pop more, increase the thickness until it looks right for your design. A slightly thicker outline works really well for thumbnails and social media graphics, while a thinner outline can look more minimal and polished. Take a moment to preview how it looks on the canvas, and if needed, go back and fine-tune the stroke thickness until the outline feels balanced with the rest of the image. And that's it. You now know how to add a white outline around an image in CapCut PC, in just a few easy steps. This is one of those small edits that can make a big difference in the final look of your content. If you found this helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.